Don't trust the rain, whispering wet words of forgetting on my skin. She lies, softly, the way silence knows how to lie. Don't believe what thunder shouts about us, those torn phrases, those truths twisted by echoes. Don't listen to the clouds' rumors, they know nothing of love, nothing of what we weave in the shadow of our gazes. Don't let the wind carry away my absences. It only knows how to leave, not how to keep the promises whispered inside heartbeats. See me with your heart, not with your fear. Remember my hands, how they said stay without a word. And if one night you doubt, if the world gets too loud, just remember. My love makes no sound. It waits, like a star behind the clouds, without insisting, without fading. It doesn't knock on closed doors, it stays there, resting in a corner of your silence, patient like a secret. Only your heart can hear.